These are some of the investors Nigeria is seeking to attract into its solid mineral sector. Although Nigeria has substantial deposits of gold, iron ore, nickel, wolfram, uranium, the sector has remained underdeveloped as more resources were diverted towards oil production. Acting President Professor Yemi Osinbajo says the government is seeking to invest more in the industry as part of a strategy to diversify the extractive sector.
The federal government is working to ensure the implementation of a 3-year tax holiday for new investors in the mining sector. In terms of how the mineral sector is to fit into the broader economy, our recently launched Economic Recovery and Growth Plan targets a 7% growth rate for the Nigerian economy by 2020, but sets a more aggressive growth rate of 8.54 for the mining sector.
The tax initiative will start from the date the investor commences mining operations in the country. Other initiatives to attract investors include 100% foreign ownership of mining projects and an exemption of import duties on mining equipment.
The Ministry of Mines and Steel Development has been granted access to the mining sector component of our Natural Resources Development Fund for a sum of 30 billion naira, approximately $100 million, an intervention fund from the federal government. This is partly to help provide cheap loans and grants to industry participants, as well as for directly investing in foundational infrastructure.
Besides that, there is some $150 million approved by the World Bank for mineral sector development and economic diversification. The government is also collaborating with Nigerian Sovereign Investment Authority and Nigerian Stock Exchange to raise an additional $600 million. Tuli Shabalala, CGTN.